Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys, and this time it's going to be a keto Q&A. You guys have been asking me a lot of questions. Again, my socials will be here and they'll be linked down below as well. So if you guys want to follow me, DM me anytime, or even go on my TikToks. I do what I eat in a day is there. Not really as detailed as the ones on my channel, but they're there. And you can also comment down below any other questions or any other concerns you might have about keto and the keto diet. Maybe I can give you guys some tips and tricks and help you guys. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Good keto snacks. So for me, I love pork rinds. I absolutely love pork rinds. I do have like a Diet Coke. I do have a Diet Coke or a Coke Zero, and I do drink those in moderation. I know those are not for everyone, but you know, sometimes I drink them to feel normal and feel like, you know, like I can have a soda with my friends when they're having a soda. You know what I mean? It's those little things. So it is what it is. For me, one of my staples is pork rinds. I love pepperoni. Every once in a while when I'm like coming home from the gym and I'm kind of hungry and dinner isn't ready, or I'm feeling kind of peckish, I'll have some pepperoni. I mentioned in my last video, we tried the Enlightened ice cream, the keto version and the regular low calorie version, I think. And they were really good, guys. Like, they were really good. I really recommend those ice creams if you want something sweet or if you are craving ice cream. I was really craving cookies and cream, so I bought the cookies and cream version, and it was a little bit higher in carbs, but I fit it into my macros, which just was amazing. What app do you use? Okay, so to track my macros, I do the Carb Manager app. I'll pull up a screenshot here. And before that, I was using MyFitnessPal, but MyFitnessPal doesn't count net carbs. It only counts carbs as like a whole, and I didn't like that. So I got my the Carb Manager so that I could specifically track my net carbs. It's more keto friendly than MyFitnessPal, so I just use MyFitnessPal to track my weight because that's where I've been doing it for literally the last 2 years. But yeah, those are the apps that I use, and they're both free. Where do you find your recipes? Okay, so for that, I really honestly come up with them on my own. Like, I don't know, I come up with them on my own, or if I want like something specific, like cauli mac and cheese, then I'll like go on Instagram, or I'll Google it and I'll put in like keto cauli mac or keto mac and cheese, and it'll come up, and then I'll take that and I'll tweak it to myself, to what I like, my family likes, and I don't know, like for the most part, I come up with the stuff on my own. And my friend Brittany, actually, she gave me for my birthday this keto book, and I'll put a picture here, and it's honestly awesome. So shout out to Brittany. But it's super good. Like, every once in a while my aunt and I will be like, well, what do we eat? And we're like, well, we should try something new, because like I said before, I am a creature of habit, and I'm in control of like what is being cooked and what we buy or whatever. So I'm like, well, we're gonna eat the same thing over and over for the next 3 weeks, because that's what I want to do. But obviously we can't do that, so my aunt will be like, oh, we'll open the book, let's try something new. So I really recommend that if you're starting out on the keto diet. And this book comes with like desserts and stuff and like breads that I haven't even done myself, just because like I said, I'm not a big sweet person. So if you guys want to try that, I'll show you guys that. I'm not sponsored by them. It was seriously just a birthday gift. Shout out to Brittany, thank you so much, it comes in handy. But yeah, for the most part, I'll do that. And you can also go on Instagram on the hashtag keto, and so many recipes, videos on there, everything. YouTube too. Do you have cheat days? Yes, like I said in my other video, I have had cheat days before. I haven't had a cheat day so far this whole year. Well, no, that's a lie. That is a lie. The whole first week of 2020 was a cheat week. But yeah, to answer your question, I do have cheat days. Do you count macros? Yes, I do count macros. I have them on my, I have them on my Carb Manager app, and I've talked about it before. So yes, I do count my macros. I didn't in the beginning though. That's one thing that I always love to stress, is that I didn't count my macros in the beginning. I just kind of ate keto, and I did not count my macros, literally nothing. Did not count my macros whatsoever. It wasn't until recently, maybe like a month, 2 ago, that I started counting my calories and my carbs and my fat and my protein macros, because I hit a plateau and I was like, oh shoot, what's going on? And I was like, wait a minute, Sylvia, maybe you're eating too much. Maybe you're eating too much protein. Maybe you're not eating enough fat. Maybe you're eating too much food altogether. Never too much carbs, because the stuff I eat never too much carbs. If anything, I probably overindulge in keto-friendly food, but I'm overindulging, and that's what I'm not supposed to do. So only until recently did I start counting my macros. But in short answer, yes, I do count my macros. Do you work out a lot? Yes, when the world is right and we're not going through what we're going through right now, I work out 4 to 6 times a week. I say 6 liberally because I just, you know, sometimes you just don't get that 6th day in. But yeah, I do try to work out every day for at least 2 hours. I, again, switched up my workout routines and stuff. But yeah, I did work a lot. I did work out a lot, maybe like an hour and a half, especially in the beginning. I worked out like an hour and a half. And then recently I've been doing 2 hours. So I've been doing an hour of cardio and then an hour of like weights. So yeah, well, back when the gyms were open. So whenever they open the gyms back up, you guys are not gonna see me. I'm gonna go back into being a little gym rat, like, just because I've been working out now, but I just don't feel the same. You know, I don't feel like it's the same quality of workout as I get when I'm in the gym, and that's what bothers me. I'm like, I want the same quality of workout as in the gym. I want to be able to pump 190 pounds with my legs, and I can't do it at home. What is the coffee recipe you show on your TikTok? Ooh, okay, TikTok person. Hello. Nice to see you. Okay, so this is literally what it is. It is just 2 cups of unsweetened original almond milk, Blue Diamond. That's the brand that my mom likes, so that's the brand we buy. And then a tablespoon or 2, if my macros will allow it, of heavy whipping cream, a squirt of pure stevia sweetener liquid version, and then coffee. And that's literally it. And I do that in my protein bottle, and that's it. That's my drink. Oh, and vanilla. A little hint of vanilla extract. Never had nobody. But yeah, I only add the coffee for the taste because I don't like coffee. It does nothing for me except give me anxiety. So I only add a little bit of coffee for the taste. Starbucks order. I don't drink Starbucks on keto. I have a couple times tried keto coffees, and every single time they've kicked me out of ketosis. Every single time without fail, they've kicked me out of ketosis. And I don't know, maybe I just don't order them correctly, maybe I'm just doing something wrong on my side, but I'd rather not risk it so much to the point that I just do not get anything at Starbucks ever. If I want a coffee, then I'll make it at home. Because I'd rather come home and go through the trouble of making it and then going to Starbucks and buying something and then being kicked out of ketosis. It's not worth it. And like I said, I don't have like a coffee addiction, or like I don't need coffee. I don't run on coffee. I seriously don't. So I'm fine with it. I'm fine with never eating Starbucks in my life. But yeah, last and final question. What is your goal weight? Ooh. My goal weight, should I say a number? I'm really uncomfortable with saying weight and like numbers. Like, I have not told you guys. I know people have asked. When a couple people asked here like how much I weighed before, how much I weigh now. I'm not really comfortable with sharing that information. I know I've said it before, but I don't know. Am I comfortable with sharing my goal weight? I don't know. I'm thinking 180. I'm thinking 180 is my goal weight, or 150. You know, somewhere between there even. But yeah, I think that's okay, you know, but when I hit it, I'll hit it. So no rush whatsoever. But yeah, so I think that's a good place to leave this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really am trying to give you guys what you want, which is more keto videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you guys have any more questions, comments, and tips maybe that you want, please let me know. Comment them down below, or go to my TikTok, and my Instagram is always open. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!